Salamat sa gabos at sa pag-ataman mo sa akit ko. Salamat sa pagirumdum sa ko. I'll be the light. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Nasurpresa ako.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po. For all that you made me see. For all the joy you brought to my life. For all the wrong that you made right. For every dream you made come true. For all the love I found in you. I'll be forever. You're the one who held me up. Never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through.
Bakit dapat yun?
You are my strength when I was weak. You are my voice when I couldn't speak. You are my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best
Ayan na nagising.
lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me thanks.
Ara-ara tinanong.
I'm everything I am because you love me. Gave me wings and made me fly. Touch my hands, I can touch the sky. I lost my faith, you gave it back to me. You said no sorrow inside. You stood by me and I stood so. I had your love, I had it all. I'm
Koy.
grateful for
Kanya, Koy.
each day you gave me. Maybe I don't know enough, but I know it's not just you. I was blessed because I was loved by you. You are my strength when I was weak.
Wow, wala.
You are my voice when I couldn't speak. You are my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best in us. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith to believe. I'm everything that I am because you love me. You were always there for me, a tender wind that carried me, a light in the dark, shining your love into my life. You've been my inspiration, what makes the world true. My world is a better place because of you. You are my strength when I was weak. You are my voice when I couldn't speak. You are my eyes when I couldn't see. Saw the best there was in me. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me friends to believe. I'm everything I am because you love me.
Puro na pati. Ano naman, big mo ka, mo kaya, ano naman, Ako, ika na ko. Tumindol.
I'll never let go,
Ate Kim. Manja, sasabi mo.
Para sa kadangat kong ina, Mama, sana napaugmata ka sa special mong kaaldawan. Deserve mo ini. Ika ang ina ni na makinikos-tikos. Salamat sa pagpadakula sa mo ni Maray. Salamat sa gabos at sa pag-ataman mo sa akin ko. Salamat sa pagirumdum sa ko. Day ko magigibo gabos na ini kung mayo ang suportan mo ni Papa. Ang pagtabang mo sa ko sa pag-ataman sa akin ko. Pag-amita ka, kamunita ka, magpuon ka lang ako sa pagbawid sa iyo. Habang pa ka mo, papanalitan ko sa inyo ang mga buhay. Happy birthday, Mama. I love you. Na-surprise ka man. Ngunyan ka lang nakarisingdurak, display mo, haha. Minsan lang yan. From supanet nindong aki, pero mapinagang. Happy birthday ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.